All right, today at MuscleCar Garage, we're going to be doing a complete suspension, front suspension on this 1966 Mustang. We're taking the springs out, the upper control arm, the lower control arm. We're going to be doing a center link, in and outer tie rod ends, steering box, sway bar, strut bushings. Once we're done with this, we're going to be going to the back and we're going to be doing a complete rear suspension as well. We're going to be taking off these old springs, installing these new springs. We're going to be doing shocks, putting in brand new front shocks and rear shocks on this 1966 Mustang. This is the sway bar. He's putting in a heavy duty sway bar on this Mustang. Once it's done, we're going to road test it and we'll do another video on it where you can see the final work that's been done by MuscleCar Garage in Livingston, New Jersey.